Welcome back to the second part of the video on razor functions in Composite C1. I hit a 10-minute limit in my recording software, so I'll just pick up from here. So we go ahead and we try to insert the function once again. So we select our color cube function, insert that one. Now what we get is a nicer label called total width. I can run with a default value. If I try to override it, I will get the 500 suggested, which I specified in code. Let's just go with the default and try to see how this looks. So now we have two boxes. It's slightly hard to see between each other. Let's just go and insert text here so we can make the two apart. Okay, so this is our default down here. Okay, excellent. I'll just do a quick copy paste and basically take all these parameters and make them configurable this way. So just do a copy from my other monitor to here. Okay, so now all the private constants has been changed to public properties with attributes giving them nice labels and help texts. Save that, and if we go back to our feature here and look at it, okay, we can suddenly see I can actually do some configuration here. So for instance, let's say that I'd actually like to get some a huge border on my elements, and I want them to be very green. So as a minimum RGB value, I want the green one to be 240. That should give me greenish light. Okay, so okay to that one, and we'll go preview. I have to go all the way to the button. Okay, so we have a slight problem with me going that high with the border. I should perhaps go a bit lower. I'll just go 15. So I have pretty much control over how big it is, how many rows, and the coloring of it, and so on. And all I need to do as a user is basically double-click the element, select the item I want to be in control of, and say I want to specify my own constant value and override it and go OK. And I am in control, or the user is in control of what is going on. So this is a great way to postpone it, and you can basically here we're just sending integers. Composite C1 will allow you to use any .NET type. It can be a URL to our RSS feed if you wanted to. It can be a predicate, link predicate, which will enable the user to select specific data you want to render, and so on. So a lot of flexibility in here. Just quickly show a. Oh, sorry, I'll go in here in the browser right there. So this is the feature running in different kinds of configurations. Okay. So just to revert, we saw how you can integrate your web page, how you can add your functionality to it, how you can use C1 function parameters to control it, and I'll just show you quickly how you can go get this. At the end, you'll see some addresses where you can visit our website. If you don't have Composite C1, you should definitely go try it out. But if you want to install the Razor package, you can do so. Even though you have installed our previous versions, you can still go ahead and install this feature. We're backwards compatible. You don't need to upgrade your existing Composite C1 site to get this. So you go to the system perspective, packages. Below available packages, you'll find a contrib folder. Now I have installed this, so we have it here with its contributions, the C1 contrib, and it's called razor functions. And you basically install, right click it and choose the install option, and you'll have a wizard and you're ready to go. And we will make sure that web config is safely updated and the required assemblies are added to your bit folder. That's all there's to it. So definitely say you should go and check this out. It's a pretty awesome syntax razor, but if you take the C1 function system and the ability to go ahead and do CLR type parameters that users can pass to your code, you have something which is beyond awesome. Enjoy.